everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on e.tv Scandal from the 16th to the 20th of March 2026. On Monday, a mysterious death raises unsettling questions. Mamqadi secretly helped Nhloso. Kanye reveals a troubling secret, and Tshidi situation spiral out of control on Tuesday. Bafana reveals a detail that subtly links Mpumi to the boys. Dintle confront Mamqadi and questions Nhloso, and Tshidi receives chilling news that pushes her toward confession on Wednesday. The men scrambles to align their stories as the truth closes in. Tsidi's awaited dream turned into a guilt-ridden nightmare, and Dintle finally accepts the inevitable on Thursday. Desperate for freedom, friends lie their way out of trouble as a painful family separation changes everything, leaving Tshidi facing a choice that could shatter it all on Friday. Where this investigation leads to Mdala, and she set her sight on questioning him next. Dintle gets Kanye to keep a secret for her. Talita finds herself back in the hot seat. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.